Are you struggling as a business owner or a salesman to make sales? In this video, I will share with you how to sell your product to anyone in 4 simple steps. This will help to grow and promote your brand and product in any competitive market, thereby bringing your product to the spotlight. Hello beautiful people, my name is Priscilla. Welcome to my YouTube channel called Priscilla Business Solutions. Here we talk everything about business management, money management, sales skills, entrepreneurship, agriculture, and overall personal development. And these are vital tools for you as a business owner and equally as an individual. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more, to get more insight on how to grow your business. Equally on the notification bell so to be notified once I upload a new video weekly. Give us a thumbs up and a comment below. In this video, I will share with you how to sell your product to anyone in 4 simple steps. The first step is ideal customer profile. You need to profile your customers. You need to know your target customers. Knowing your ideal customer profile, you need to ask yourself, who are your products meant for? Who will need your product? Who will use it? For example, if you are selling a luxurious pen, you have no business with a high school student. You have no business with a high school student because you are selling a luxurious pen. A high school student cannot afford a luxurious pen. A high school student needs a pen, but not a luxurious pen. So you need to understand who exactly needs that luxury. Possibly a business owner, an executive, or a salesman, someone who will need the luxury, who can afford the luxury, or who needs what that luxury have to offer. Probably maybe to create an impression in a conference, in a meeting. So you have to sell to who will need your products. The second step is to know your customer needs. Know your customers' needs. Yes, you just don't meet a random person and want to sell to that person. You need to understand your customer. If you know your customer, like the first one we talked about, profile your customers. You don't just meet a random person to be your customer, to buy your products. You need to know them. Then the second step, you need to understand their needs, what they need at a particular point. In understanding your customer needs, there are some people who their primary needs are value over volume. Those who their needs are quality over quantity. So you need to understand this. In my subsequent videos, I will talk about understanding the hierarchy of your customers' needs. Those that their primary needs are value and those that their primary needs are volume. And the drivers of those primary needs. You need to understand how to get to those primary needs. So you need to understand your customers' primary needs. For some people, their primary needs are volume. For some people, their primary needs are value. For example, selling a luxurious pen. You know that you have no business selling to someone whose primary needs is volume. You must meet people that their primary needs are value to sell your pen. Preaching your products to someone whose primary need is volume is like a waste of time. It's really a waste of time because the person might not be able to afford that luxury. The person will need a pen, but instead of getting one pen for, let's say, instead of getting one pen for $1, they will prefer to get 10 pen for $1. So they will prefer to go for volume over value. So you need to understand your customer needs. The third step is the product features. The product features is the attributes or properties of your products. For example, a luxurious pen. A luxurious pen is fancy, expensive, increase esteem. These are the properties of a luxurious pen. You must understand the properties of your products. understand the properties of your product, and this will help you in sales. This will help you know who needs those properties. If you don't do a proper analysis of your product, you have already failed in sales. So you need to strategically value and bring out the properties of your product. You need to understand the properties of the product you are selling. The first step is benefits. Yes, you heard me, benefits. Benefit is like a link between the features of your product and your customer needs. It's like the middle point between the features of your product and your customer needs. Customers don't buy features. Understand this. Customers don't buy features, they buy benefits. So you need to preach the benefit of your products to them. Features tells about a product, while benefits sells the product. You need to understand the benefits, what your customers will get from the product you are selling. That's what is benefits. After doing an assessment of the features of your products, you have to find a connecting point where it connects to your customers' needs. Like a luxurious pen. A luxurious pen is luxury, basically. It gives pride having a luxury. It gives pride. It's expensive. Not everyone can get it. So linking it to what your customer needs. Maybe a customer that needs to feel special, a customer that wants to feel special or give an impression in a meeting is the person that can afford that pen. Because the features of your product speaks to them. That's benefits, what they get from your products. You must link the features of your products to the need of your customer in a perfect key and lock pattern. In a perfect key and lock pattern. It must not be in a place that do not fit or meet. It must be in a perfect key and lock pattern. The link between your product features and your customer needs is benefits. You need to understand that customers buys benefits, not features. Features tells about a product, while benefits sells the product. You need to understand that a customer buys benefits, not features. So you must link the feature of your product to your customer's need, which is benefits. If you got values from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, on the notification bell so that you'll be notified once I upload a new video weekly. Only give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.